Hey guys, welcome back. Temporary new setup, not sure what I'm going to be doing with it. Today we're going to be working on a new granny square. We're going to be doing the butterfly stitch. That's my take on it, because it's not necessarily a butterfly stitch, and it's not exactly a butterfly garden granny square like the one I saw from DIY Magazine, and a few other places on Pinterest. I wasn't a fan, so I kind of modified it to make it a little bit more my own. Basically, I like it. That's it. So let's get into the video.
So I didn't record the first row. I was having some difficulties with my lighting and my phone and my lens. It's a basic solid granny square. So you are going to chain 4, create 15 double crochets into that circle, and just join it basically to the top of the third chain. For round 2, we're starting off in the corner, and we're going to work the corner stitch immediately. For this one, it's a chain 3 as a standing double crochet, and into that exact same stitch you're going to insert your hook and work your tail in right away. It helps get rid of it really quickly and it's no longer a bother. Chain 2 and add 2 more double crochet to that, so technically it's 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet, and then we're going to work double crochets in the next 3 stitches, and this is going to be forming our first side of the square. So we're going to finish off this side, work on the next, and we're just going to do this 4 times all the way around to make our square. Now, I want to advise you before we start working this next row, the butterflies are not going to be positioned, or at least the first butterflies are not positioned in the middle of the side of the square. It's going to be off to the side on each side of these, and they change position. So let's finish off this guy, and honestly it works up a lot faster than it shows in the video, so I was really taking the time to show you the stitch placement. I think I worked the 10-inch square in about an hour and 10 minutes while filming. So it wasn't too bad. It went actually pretty quick. Once you understand like the basic structure of each butterfly, then it's just repeating as you do your rows. So I'm pretty sure you guys are going to be able to nail this, and I look forward to seeing what you made. Tag me if you share it on social media or any patterns you come up with. I would love to see them. Just absolutely love it. Okay, I'm making these for you guys so that you can enjoy them, have fun with them. Let's get back to this square into row 4, where we're going to be completing the second leg of the butterfly's wings, so the top part of this butterfly. They're all worked over 2 rows, but this one specifically is just 2 rows. So we're going to wake into our corner. Once we get to that first corner, do your chain 2, last 2 double crochets. Work into the next 3 stitches. Chain 2. You're going to yarn over and get into that middle third, that second stitch from the row 2. That one will be skipped. So into the middle, you're going to do an extended double crochet. So pull through just 1 loop. Now you're going to complete the rest of your double crochet. Pull through 2, yarn over and pull through your last 2. And that holds the bottom of the wings in place. It kind of brings that little shape to it, and it's starting to form the top of the wing. Chain 2, and you're going to double crochet into the next available double crochet. So it's that first one on the edge. So along with the standing 3 chain double crochet, we need to add an extra 6 chains. I'm going to chain 9. Or skip 5 stitches, and you're going to be working into that last double crochet of the last corner before the corner stitch that you need to work your corner. 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet again in that corner, and we're just going to repeat this all the way around. So you're going to double crochet from this point on into the next stitches until you get to the first chain space available, which is that first chain 2. You're going to make 1 double crochet in that chain 2 space. So we're going to do 1 double crochet into the chain space right here, there, see, double crochet there, as well as a double crochet into the next double crochet, 1 into the upcoming chain space. I'm going to work into the next stitch. Now we're going to be chaining the body for the next butterfly. Chain, skip 5, jump into the last stitch, and let's keep going around, because that's basically all we're going to be doing is just repeating this around. Hope I'm explaining it properly or clearly enough. They're really simple. If you'd like a diagram, I could draw one up for you. I don't have a program to create them, but I can draw one up if you would like. As you may have noticed already, even with the different sizes, the basis of the construction of these butterflies is pretty much the same. So we're going to continue with our chain 3 and work our next double crochet into the first stitch. So this is going to complete the wing. And in the subsequent stitches afterwards, so the next 3 stitches, and then just the corner stitch. Once you've completed the final 2 double crochets into that corner, double crochet into the next stitch, so that teeny tiny hidden stitch there that we constantly fight with at the beginning of every round, in there. Stitch there, then we are going to start chaining for the body of the next little butterfly. This is another small one, so we're going to be chaining 4, skip 3, and keep working across. Now you're going to be working up into that last double crochet before the chain space. From there you're going to chain 3. Now we're going to do the same extended double crochet into the middle stitch, so the third one of 5 that we skipped from the row before, and keep working. Another 3, and double crochet into the first one that's there. Once you get the hang of making these butterflies, you can put them into any double crochet stitch, even half double crochet stitch. You could probably make them into a single crochet pattern as well. But really enjoy, have fun with it. It's so much fun, and they're so pretty. I think they're the perfect addition to any garment or blanket. Make sure you take screenshots, notes, whatever you need to get this down. Row 8 is very simple, so I'm just going to write out the description here, and you can handle that on your own. I'm absolutely positive. If you got through round 7, you can do the rest. And the join round. If you're not joining the way I am, don't pay attention, but I'm just going to write out how to complete this row without the join.
Well, that was the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, I know the last couple of rows I was not able to record. My ring light went out. It's been a pain in the butt the last couple of days. I think it's because I had it into a full charger box. It fits in there, it's a USB, so it's great, but the problem is that when it overheats, it just kills out and doesn't turn on or stay on for long enough. If you want to follow along and make your own colorful or monotone granny square blanket with multiple granny squares, or just watch through, pick your favorite ones, and make a mashup of your own.
Join me every week for new squares here on my channel. Happy crafting!